An uninterruptible power supply, or UPS, is important for any business or home user who needs their electronic devices, such as PCs and servers, to work during short power outages. We're often asked if you can plug a UPS into one of our products. The answer is yes, with an exception. A UPS does not provide adequate surge protection. It can let through about 500 volts or more of damaging surge energy. Plugging a UPS into one of our 2R series products protects both the UPS and the connected devices. For dedicated systems, our commercial products can be used ahead of the UPS. By code, you cannot connect a UPS to our 6R, 8R, or 10R series products, as that would be considered daisy chaining. For more information on our complete line of surge protectors, visit zerosurge.com. Zero Surge. Surge protection using filter technology. A better way.